How much do learners in the English-speaking Caribbean know about open educational resources? This video presentation is a brief introduction to OERs. Open educational resources cover a wide range of online format, including PowerPoint presentations, lecture notes, online textbooks, video recordings of lectures, YouTube clips, and much more. In order to be open educational resources, they must be freely available for at least educational use. There are 5 activities of OERs. They are retain, reuse, revise, remix, and redistribute. Retain. This gives the right to make, own, and control copies of the content. Reuse. This is the right to use all or part of the content. Revise. The right to adapt, modify, translate, or alter the content. Remix. The right to combine existing content with other materials to create a new resource. Redistribute. The right to share original content, remixes, or revisions with others. The fact that someone can use an author's work without charge or special permission does not take away the author's rights to it. What it does, it enables the copyright holder to give permission automatically and without charge or bureaucracy. A user of OERs must become familiar with the license types and their conditions. There are 6 main Creative Commons licenses. These are the Attribution, Attribution Share Alike, Attribution No Derivatives, Attribution Non-Commercial, Attribution Non-Commercial Share Alike, Attribution Non-Commercial No Derivatives. For further information on the license types, please visit the Creative Commons website. If you wish to offer your own materials as open educational resources, it is a relatively simple process to choose a license and apply it to your piece of work. Please see Creative Commons Choose License. Choose a license. There are many repositories of open educational resources. See, for instance, for post-secondary education, Merlot or OER Commons. But how can learners in the English-speaking Caribbean benefit from OERs? Listen. In some of North America's finest universities, there are over 1,000 free online courses which are open to the general public. Learners who pursue these courses save huge sums of money that would normally have been spent on tuition. OERs give everyone equal access. It is argued that OERs close the gap between those who can afford higher education and those who cannot. OERs also provide the opportunity for learners to develop a certain degree of independence and confidence in their own ability to contribute to resources. Users of OERs will be able to access superior quality materials from some of the best higher education institutions. Learners will be exposed to resources which cater to different learning styles. There are some disadvantages of OERs. Listen. There is no stringent quality control. It is said that OERs do not go through the same rigorous editing process as books do. Additionally, if creators of OERs do not regularly update the content of their materials, it might become outdated and of little value to users. They seem to exist in the English option only. OERs also exclude those without internet access, thereby creating serious disadvantages for those who do not have reliable access or no access at all. The poor quality of many of the OERs available is another disadvantage. Reams of text with no interaction, often available in PDF formats that cannot be changed or adapted. And then there's the issue of poorly produced graphics. Still not sure about OERs? Listen. There's absolutely no doubt that OERs will be of immense benefit to learners in the English-speaking Caribbean. Its advantages far outweighs its disadvantages. Give it a try. It should be noted that there are not many repositories of these resources in the region. What a pity. The region has a rich cultural and social history. Let us share it with the world. Let us add to the collection.